Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to go over something pretty quick and simple, and it's just going to be how to replace your mirror caps and the mirror glass itself. So why would you want to replace these? Well, I've got some M-style mirror caps on mine right now, and another popular option is to put a carbon fiber type cap. And for the mirror glass, a lot of people like to put the European style wide angle ones. So if you haven't seen a wide angle mirror before, here's one right here. And you'll see this dotted line kind of about 3/4 or 4/5 of the way out on the glass. And the curvature of the mirror over there changes and allows you to see further this way. So it makes your viewing area larger so that you have less blind spot. So something can't be creeping up on your left or right without you seeing it. Now other people find the kind of distortion or say fishbowl effect a little bit annoying, so I'm going to try these and see how I end up liking them. So the first step is we need to position the mirror glass, and we're going to take this upper corner here and we're just going to use our hands and push the mirror in as far as it can go up this way, so kind of up and to the left. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a trim or pry tool, and we're going to start kind of in this area in the lower right hand side or innermost side, and we're just going to pry until the internal clips start popping off. Okay, so I've pried it, and you can see here are the 4 clips, and these 4 clips, they lock into these areas here on this main motor unit. So now that the glass is free, we can go ahead and we can disconnect all of the contacts. All right, and there's our old mirror glass. If you're going to be removing your mirror cap, you can see that there's these clips right here that secure it. So all of these clips, what you'll need to do is you'll need to pinch those together, so then you can pull the mirror cap out the front. It can be helpful to use a pair of pliers to squeeze the tabs together when trying to release them. So here's a look at the inside of a mirror cap, and you can see the different tabs that I was talking about before. There's those 3. You do want to be careful when working with these, because on parts that are ABS plastic like this one, as well as the OE one, it is possible to accidentally snap some of those tabs off. To reinstall the front cover, I'm just going to go ahead and take those 3 tabs and align them with their respective holes from the front. And I'm just going to push back on it till it snaps into place. And just like that, the mirror cap is reinstalled. Next, I'm going to install this new wide angle mirror glass. And so I will position the glass over here, and then we will take our electrical contact and slide it in its connector. And we'll take these 2 other contacts and slide these over the posts. Once all of those are securely seated, the goal will be to put this circle or this ring around here and have each of these 4 connection points snap around these little lugs. So just going to go ahead and kind of align it and then push straight back. And you should feel it snap. So you heard that snap when I did it. And so now the mirror glass is installed. So now I can just go into the car and use the mirror adjustment to set it where I like, and that's it. Now your passenger side mirror may differ a little bit from the driver's side. If you have a pre-LCI car, both the driver's and the passenger side are heated and dimming. If you have an LCI car like mine, you won't have the connector for the dimming function because only the driver's side mirror is dimming.